Hi, it's Glenn here with Security Perth, and today we're talking all about security cameras. Choosing a security camera for your home or business has never been tougher, with so many options in the market. Here at Security Perth, we stick to the top brands. We've got the top 3 in the world: Hikvision, Dahua and now Uniview. We choose the best cameras so you don't have any problems moving forward. There are so many cheap and cheerful cameras out there that don't really save you a lot of money. So why invest your hard-earned cash and installing it yourself when you can leave it to the professionals here at Security Perth? We use our own in-house security technicians to ensure that you get a professional job each and every time. We'll do the hard work, like climbing up into the roof space with all those spiders, making all the cables disappear. And then when we're done, we'll show you how to use it and set it up on your phone. What could be easier? Don't worry about saving a few bucks here and there and getting some cheap stuff that's going to break down in a year. All of our systems come with a full 2-year warranty, which includes parts and labour. When you choose Security Perth, you're going with a reliable and professional licensed security company.